In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your Instagram profile link. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is launch your Instagram profile icon, and then it's going to show your home screen. Now what you want to do is go over to the bottom right where it has your profile icon, and it's going to look like this. It's going to show your profile, any of your different posts and anything like that. Now what you're going to see next to edit profile is a share profile button. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to show your Instagram, QR code to log in and everything. And you can press share profile, but then you're also going to see copy link as one of the options. So all you got to do is copy that. It's going to say link copy to clipboard, and then I can put it on any other social media if I want to. I can send it directly to someone in DMs, and really you can just do anything you want as well. And you can also obviously copy other people's links too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.